Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to be doing an unboxing of the Laura Lee mystery box. So if you want to see what I got in the box, then just keep watching. So my package just arrived. It is from Laura Lee Los Angeles. It's their mystery boxes. So I got mystery box or bag A, which is the most expensive. It was $75 because it had the most in it. It was supposed to come with a beauty tool, a beauty accessory, a makeup bag, 1 mini palette, 3 full-size palettes, 2 lip products, and 6 beauty tools, plus 6 more cosmetic items. So it literally just came in. I haven't even opened the box, which I haven't tried much from her. I've tried 1 palette, I believe. I bought the Nudie Patootie palette, and now for the life of me, I cannot find it anywhere. I've literally searched my whole makeup room. I don't know what happened to it, but it's apparently gone. All right, let's just get into this. So there's a card in here about a sponge. It says that it is an LL Beauty sponge. Okay. Oh, here it is. So it looks like it comes with a sponge, which I don't believe she ever had any sponges before. So it says that it is a double-sided multi-purpose sponge that allows you to set, contour, and blend all in one. Works great with powder, liquid, blah, blah, blah. Ooh, I love the color. Hold on. I need eyebrow scissors. Get in this. Ooh, yes. I love the color. It's like nude. I don't know if it's my lighting, but it's almost like looking kind of pinkish. Oh, it's so pretty. I love how thin it is. So we'll have to try this. I've been more obsessed with microfiber sponges, but I'll still give this a try for sure. I wonder how much it's gonna retail on its own though, because like that'll determine if I would want to buy it again. All right, what else is in here? We've got a mirror, which I did see her talk about this in one of her videos. I love that it's marble, but then it's a normal mirror on one side and magnified on the other. Oh, my makeup has been on for like 12 hours and it's really looking like it. Holy crap, I like greasy. So I love that this came with a mirror. Looks like we have a palette. Oh, okay, so this is just a empty palette to put single shadows in, which is probably good. I used to have one and I have no idea where it went, but I never touch my single shadows because they're just sitting in a tray here. So popping them in something like this will probably get me to actually use them more. I think I have metal pieces. Yeah, it doesn't come with any like metal pieces to attach to the backs of shadows, but I think I actually have some somewhere. Okay, we've got 2 lip products. They're both liquid lipsticks. One in the shade Nakey Nakey and one in the shade Show Off. So let's open Show Off first. Ooh, that's a pretty color. I have not tried any of her liquid lips. Oh, that's a really pretty color. Not really my cup of tea. Ooh, it smells really good though. So that's Show Off. For my skin, it's a little dark. So for me, this would be more of like a fall or winter color. What's the other one? Nakey Nakey. Ooh. Okay, now this might be my color. Ah, it's a little too dark. This is really pretty. So that's Nakey Nakey on my skin tone. I really like that. Let's put it on. It might wipe me out though. I was just gonna say I don't have a close-up mirror. What am I doing? Okay, come here, Nakey Nakey. I'm probably gonna need a lip liner normally, but I'm just gonna put it on. Ooh. So it's kind of an interesting color on my skin tone, but this would be really pretty on medium skin tones, but I'm too fair. On me, this looks really funny. I'd have to like lighten it up with something pink. Like this is a really, really true nude, like fully just beige. But because I'm so fair, it looks a little wonky. So So I'm gonna add a little bit of color. This is just the Marc Jacobs gloss in Sugar Sugar. Just because I feel like I need some pink. Obviously a lip liner would really help this too, but anyways, really cute. For me, it's just a color I'll have to play with. Okay, the last item in here, which I believe there's more than in here, is the bag. So it's actually a pretty long bag. So it almost feels like a version of felt. Like it's really soft material. All right, ooh, there's a lot in here. So first off the bat, it looks like there are 3 brushes, which I actually bought her whole set. And I think I did a video on it. I'm pretty sure I did a video on it. So if I did, I'll link it wherever. This comes with an L, can't read that small, L20. Just looks like a little flat or a little thin detail brush. Comes with, ooh, I love this brush, an L16, which is just a little pencil brush. And then comes with an L13, which is nice for a powder brush. I already have these. My favorite brush from her collection is actually an L13. Wow, it's the same brush, but do you see how fat this is? And like how round this one is? So apparently it must start like this, and then this just, from using it so often, is just actually blown out now. Well, this is my favorite brush from them. This is the L13. It's my favorite like blush brush. So maybe I'll have to use this for a different color because I tend to not clean it. Don't tell anyone. So it comes with those 3, which I really like her brushes. What else is in here? This one, I'm assuming is a small mini palette. Oh, it's not. I can feel a break. Oh, it's single shadows. Oh, I see. To put in here. Okay, what colors do we have? Looks like there is Night Sky. There is Glam Gal. We've got Gimmick. Oh. Cobalt Cat, Sweet Pea, and Crystal Sea. I feel like the majority of these colors I probably wouldn't wear on a normal basis. Like they're not something I'd gravitate to. Actually, Gimmick maybe, it's a light, like goldy green it looks like. The rest of them I probably wouldn't grab too often, but they are pretty colors for like a special occasion. I'm gonna add them all to the palette just so I can show you the colors, because I know it's kind of hard to see when I just hold this up. Okay, so these are the 6 shades that it comes with, which they're pretty shades. They're just not really anything that I would normally gravitate towards. I wish she would have come out with or put something in here that was just a little more normally wearable. So I feel like not most people don't gravitate towards blue or green. These are really pretty actually. That black is really pretty. What else? Okay, maybe this is the mini. Yes, it is a mini. Okay, so this is in Boss Babe. I've never had any of her minis. I have one actually. I think it's called like Party Animal or something. It came in a BoxyCharm, but it's colors I would never use. So I literally have never used it. Just, oh gosh. Ah, it's packed too tight. You know what? Should I rip it? No. Oh, I ripped it. Ah, my nail. What if we go this direction? No, help me. I can't get it out of either direction. I'm gonna have to rip the whole box. And I hurt my nail. Look, there's a nudie. How did you get that out? Thank you. Okay, so we have Boss Babe, ooh, which is just a pretty neutral palette. That's actually really pretty. Ooh, I like that color. I really like these kind of palettes to travel with, because when I travel, I don't really do anything extravagant when it comes to my makeup, so I like to have just neutrals. That's nice. Oh, this is in here, thank God. I have literally searched my whole makeup collection and I cannot find it. So if I somehow accidentally find it, I will give this away because I would already have one, but if not, this is mine. I am wondering, I gave a friend of mine a bunch of makeup and I'm wondering if she accidentally took it because it was pretty new to me. Actually, it was really new at that time. So it probably was just sitting out like these are, how they sit out, waiting to be put away. So I'm wondering if it was sitting out and she accidentally grabbed it with the other stuff I gave her. That's my thought, because I can't figure out where else it would be. But this is Nudie Patootie. So glad to have it back in my life. I've literally been looking for it for like the last week. So I am excited. Like I said, if I find mine, I'll do a giveaway. And if I don't find mine, this is mine. But if I find it, I'll put the giveaway information down below. But if not, if there's nothing in the description, that means I didn't find my other one. One last product feels like, oh, she's thick. Oh, what is this? A lit kit. Wow, this is huge. Light to medium and medium to deep. Ah, okay. There's 2 palettes in here. So one of these, there's no way in hell I'll be able to use, which I think is the bronze, if I remember right. Yeah, bronze, even when I'm tan, I will not be able to use. So, should I do a giveaway? Sure, let's do a giveaway. If I cannot find this, or if I can find this, I'll include this in the giveaway. If not, it's not included. I will give away this. So if you are medium to deep skin, this will work for you. And then I'll probably just throw in a couple of palettes that I haven't used that will also complement medium to deep skin tones, since you would be getting this. Obviously, then I wouldn't want to give you a palette that wouldn't complement your skin tone. That would make no sense. So I'll put giveaway stuff in the description down below, and we'll include this. So I don't know how to package it though, because this box is to hold 2 or it's wobbling around. Maybe I'll put like stuffing in here so that it won't wobble around, so it won't break it or anything. That will be a giveaway because there's no way I can use that. So then this is the Glaze palette, which is for fair to medium skin tones. This I could use minus that. Cinnamon Sugar, there's no way. That's really pretty though. Yeah, there's no way. But actually I would look like a pretty eyeliner, so, or not eyeliner, eyeshadow. That is cute, but give me these light shades, please. I'm too pasty. Let's use diamonds. Oh, those are pretty. Rosé all day, there's no way. Ha! That was funny. These are the 3 shades that I can use. Oh, just kidding. Rosé all day is not gonna work for me either. Wow. That'll be a nice eyeshadow. So I got 2 out of them. That's the only downside to palettes like these, is nobody's gonna be able to use all of them for their skin, because you either can use, it's normally 2 of them. Like you can either use the lightest 2, the middle 2, or the end 2. You normally can't use all of them, but I can still use those other 2 for shadows. So still can actually use them, but just not on the face. Well, that was everything in the box. Let me, I guess now that this is open, I can show you the inside. So it does come with a little zipper to hold some stuff in. It is very flimsy. So if you're putting breakables, I probably wouldn't do it in here because it doesn't feel like it has a lot of structure at all, actually, for height at least. So I put stuff in here that you're not really worried about breaking. So a bunch of plastic. Honestly, I'd probably use this more for like, not skincare, what was I thinking? Like shampoos and razors and things like that, just because of the material that this is. Although, well no, it is felt, this liner you could clean. So yeah, I'd probably use it for something like that, just because personally it's not structured enough for me to be comfortable to put my makeup in there and know it's not gonna get broken. But yeah, that is everything in this box. If you want me to do any kind of dedicated video on something that was in the box, let me know. But that is all I have for this video. So thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.